What was that?
Wait, where's Maya?
I've got her.
Sounds like something fell. Hey, again.
Well, through the window.
So blue.
It's a good omen.
Sci-Fi Channel says it's a bad omen.
It's not an omen, it's a bird.
Amen.
No, omen. It's pronounced omen.
Thanks.
Birds don't usually fly at night. It's probably sick.
You think it has avian flu?
Obviously, we don't know. Just open the window, close the door, and it'll find its own way out.
We'll poop all over everything in the meantime.
Ruth,
Well, seriously, what kind of a plan is that? To let a sick bird run wild in the house pooping?
You know what, Mom? I think George is right. I'm just gonna open the windows. I'll open this door. All right. Somebody close that door.
Hey, Nate, grab the beer, okay?
Yeah, I'll grab the beer, Tom. Thank you. Beautiful bird.
God, it's fucking cerulean.
So let's just close this door. Let's see what happens.
Jesus. Nate! Nate! Get in here!
I don't believe it.
Oh my God!
Well, how the fuck did it get in again?
Through the window.
Yeah? Why was the window open?
Because you said it was in the bedroom. Don't be such a jerk.
Fuck off. I did every little fucking thing myself. I have tried all night long to do the right thing by this bird, but it just keeps fucking with me.
Try not to take it personally.
Shut up, David.
Nate!
Get out!
Jesus Christ, chill.
Sorry.